They never wanted you to know how deep the rabbit hole goes. Today, we uncover the truth behind Sam Bankman-Fried's 25-year sentence and what it means for the future of crypto.
But first, let's talk about some of the latest news in the Web3 space.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Dude, Illuvium's rolling out Beta 4 on April 30th. They're hitting us with a Play 2 airdrop and thing to jazz up the gameplay before it officially drops.
Yeah? They're letting less than 10K lucky rangers get a first look. They've got to test everything from passport integration to Illuvidex trading.
And they're all about that feedback life. They're even throwing airdrop points at participants as a thanks.
Got it. So, to hop on that private testnet and snag airdrop points, players got to pre-register by April 15th, right?
Exactly. Then, after private Beta 4 wraps on May 28th, it's open beta testnet time. Open to everyone through Epic Games, aiming to perfect it before the big launch.
Cool. They're doling out 10% of the Play 2 airdrop ILV pool for these test phases, with the big payout ending the open beta.
And the best part? The more you play, the more points you rack up across all games. They're even dropping a dashboard to keep track of it all.
With $12 million in Series A funding, Illuvium Labs is going all in. These games are going to redefine blockchain gaming with that immutable X network magic.
Heads up, Clyde. Sleep.io and Avatar just hit us with something wild. The world's first tokenized travel insurance. It's like they're bringing the future to our travel plans.
Tokenized travel insurance? How's that even work?
So Sleep.io is this next-gen Web3 hotel booking platform, right? They're blending blockchain into travel booking by turning each search and booking into a unique NFT. This move to tokenized travel insurance means your insurance is linked to an NFT, not just your name. It's all riding on the Camino network, tailored for the travel scene.
That's pretty slick, but what's the real perk of having your insurance as an NFT?
Flexibility is the name of the game. This setup lets NFT holders manage their insurance like never before, offering the chance to transfer bookings and unlocking new levels of utility and security.
Sounds like they're reshaping how we handle travel insurance. What sparked this idea?
The lightbulb moment happened at the Travel Unchained conference. Michael Rose from Sleep.io said it's all about showing off blockchain's power to revolutionize travel insurance.
And Avatar's part in this?
They're the tech wizards behind the insurance magic. With Avatar, it's about plugging insurance right into the digital and tokenized asset space, offering a bridge for insurance carriers and digital merchants. Sun Feng Wu, Avatar's head honcho, is pumped about making travel insurance more adaptive and user-controlled through blockchain.
So yeah, between Sleep.io's booking smarts and Avatar's insurance tech, they're gearing up to transform travel insurance big time.
Yo, Clyde, have you seen this? Wilder World's hitting the Epic Games Store. They're dubbing it the GTA of Web3. Pretty lit, huh?
Oh yeah, caught wind of that. They're rolling deep with Unreal Engine, diving into this Miami city. It's like old wisdom clashing with new tech. A real showdown with the Forum Authority.
Exactly, and it's all about breaking free, charting your own course. They're pushing this whole decentralized vibe, making it a playground for anyone with a net connection.
Ain't that something? Making the Metaverse a spot where folks from any walk can link up, explore, and even cash in from their virtual hustles.
And Miami's just the start. They've got this whole Web3 platform for endless activities. Heard they're dropping a wider release next year after their closed alpha last December.
Right. The whole economy in there's gonna be player-driven. You can own, trade, pretty much flip anything for a profit. That's the dream, ain't it?
For real. And with Epic Games backing them, that's major clout. Over 270 million users on board. Wilder World's setting up to be a behemoth.
Frank Wilder, the co-founder, he's stoked about the Epic listing. Says it's a leap towards next-gen gaming. They're not just about playing, it's socializing, earning, the whole 9 yards.
They're not stopping there either. Linking up with NVIDIA's GeForce Now and Superverse to smooth out the jump between Web 2 and Web 3 gaming. It's all about scale and keeping it low fee for the global crew.
It's a brave new world, Jeremy. From what I'm seeing, Wilder World might just craft a whole new way to game, socialize, and make a living. Let's keep an eye on this one.
In another news, Netflix is dropping a doc called nftwtf, all about the NFT craze. They're featuring big names like Damien Hirst, Beeple, and even Snoop Dogg. High-key excited to see what's up.
Heard about that. Hearst's got this wild project, the currency, where you gotta choose between keeping the NFT or trading it for an actual painting. If you don't choose the painting, they torch the original. Makes you ponder the value we place on digital versus physical art.
For real, and it's not just about the art. They're diving into CryptoPunks, Bored Apes, and even got some deep chats with folks heavy into collecting these digital assets.
David Schulman's steering this ship. The man's got a knack for peeling back the layers. Did some BAFTA-winning stuff before. It's produced by Battersea Entertainment and Atomized Studios with Josh Berger at the helm. Dude worked with Jake Gyllenhaal on The Covenant and played a big part in landing the Netflix deal.
Netflix getting on the NFT train shows just how big this whole scene's getting. They're betting that folks are eager to dive deep into the NFT world, learn about its impact on art and culture.
Ain't got a release date yet, but I'm keen to check it out. It's a whole new frontier for art, and maybe it'll clear up some of the confusion around NFTs for folks.
Dude, Parallel Studios just bagged 35 mil to beef up their Web3 trading card game. Big players like Vanek and Solana Ventures are all in. Even the Solana co-founders and Pudgy Penguin's CEO are throwing down.
Parallel, huh? That's the TCG where Earth's gone kaput and folks are duking it out across the stars for control, right? Sounds like they've got quite the setup for battles with those factions.
Yeah, and it's all about that NFT action, earning while you play. They've got a variety of gameplay modes to keep things fresh, plus a newbie queue to help rookies get up to speed.
With that kind of cash, they're looking to spread their wings. More players, more platforms. Heard they're eyeing a spot on the Epic Games Store and maybe even Steam.
They're not just stopping at card games either. They're cooking up Colony, this AI survival game on Solana. Plus, they're developing Wayfinder, aiming to jazz up the blockchain experience with some AI magic.
That's ambitious. Launching a beta for Colony by end of 2024 and hiring like there's no tomorrow. This funding's a game changer for them, pushing their valuation up to a cool $500 million.
It's wild, right? 85 mil in total funding. Parallel's seriously leveling up the Web3 game space. Can't wait to see where they take it. And now, the story of the week. Sam Bankman-Fried's heading to prison for 25 years. Could have been way harsher, but still, it's a serious stretch.
Yeah, after all that mess with FTX and Alameda Research. Judge threw the book at him, nearly half what the prosecutors wanted, but way more than Bankman-Fried hoped for.
His defense was trying to spin it like nobody really lost out, because they'd get paid back. Even tried to play up his good guy image and his autism diagnosis, but the judge wasn't buying any of it.
Kaplan called it all an act. Said Bankman-Fried was power-hungry, a gambler with the truth, even caught him perjuring himself during the trial.
And despite the defense saying jail had scared him straight, Kaplan's convinced a longer sentence is needed to keep him from future crimes. He's a risk to pull something bad again.
Kaplan did give him a bit of a break, considering his autism and recommending a lower security prison near San Francisco. But he's only getting a small cut for good behavior, nothing major.
His folks were there the whole time. The courtroom was packed. Kaplan was clear. Bankman-Fried never owned up to his actions. Talked like FTX could make a comeback without the issues under new management.
Appeal's coming, but for now he's got a long road ahead. And this ain't the end. He's still got civil cases to face with the SEC and CFTC.
Wild times, Clyde. This trial's been a real eye-opener on accountability and the risks of unchecked ambition.
Welcome to Crypto Mumbo Jumbo Decoder. Today's slang, LFG. LFG's the latest slang-rocking crypto Twitter, standing for Let's Freaking Go, or the more R-rated version. It's all about that buzz when you're pumped for a crypto project that's got mad potential. Originally popping up in college texts back in 2010, was all about party vibes, but it's since made its way through sports, gaming, tunes, and now the crypto scene. It's the go-to phrase for hyping up that next big thing in crypto, like when you're all in on a bull run, screaming, "Crypto winter's over, to the moon, LFG." But wait, there's more. LFG's got a double life in gaming as Looking for Group. helping gamers link up for epic questing or multiplayer madness. Whether you're rallying your squad with LFG to smash some League of Legends or using it to spark some team spirit, LFG's got you. So no matter the context, crypto or gaming, LFG's your hype battle cry.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Until next time, keep pushing boundaries and exploring the digital cosmos. This is Clyde.
And Jeremy signing off. Catch you in the next episode.